Hey guys, wanna know how to log into your account in OkCupid? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now first up, make sure you have OkCupid installed and then simply open it. Now make sure you have created an account as well. You need to create an account in order to log in later. Now once the app is open, select this sign in button located right here. Now once you have clicked on it, you will be provided with your phone number. So simply click on the phone number you had registered with last time. Or you can also log in with email. So simply type in your email and then your password. Select next. And there you have it. After a while, you will be easily logged into OkCupid. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.